Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock a bug on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So let's say you have a book that is locked, like this one right here, and you try to access it. It's with you can only access it with the code, and let's say for example you want to remove that code. And to do that, we're going to just select the locked book, hold on it, and press the unlock button. And now you're going to type in the passcode, so 1234 for me, and it will work. It will unlock your book. But if you don't have the password, what you can do is press the reset password button, and you're going to need to log into your ONYX account and confirm that it is you. So log in all of the credentials, and then you can reset it. So that's the only way to do it if you don't have the passcode. But if you do have the passcode, just type it in, press OK, and the book will be unlocked, as you can see. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.